Hi YouTube. So sorry I look not the greatest. I just woke up about 15 minutes ago and I just want to make a video. I ended up getting my period 2 days early, which was on the 13th, and it lasted right up until the 18th with some spotting the next day, but not too bad. I then purchased more ovulation tests, and this time I went with the digital. So this is the one that I bought this time. So hopefully I will for sure when I'm ovulating. And I also am continuing with taking the temperature every morning, but that's still not really working out for me. It's very up and down, and it's really hard for me to read, so I don't really know. So this was my result this morning, and this was also my result yesterday. So this is what it looks like, which means I am still at low fertility. So haven't started ovulating yet. I have this app on my phone, I remember telling you guys, that kind of tracks my period, tracks on my ovulation. So usually it's been pretty dead on, and I started right when they were predicting that I would be leading up to ovulation. So I started it yesterday, and I know on the papers inside the ovulation test it tells you the dates and when you should start testing, and mine says day 8 after my cycle. The thing is I was taking Clomid, and it's supposed to help, I think, sooner. So that's why I started going by my app instead of going by the paperwork inside the ovulation kit. So hopefully soon I will see a big smiley face on my test. And, oh, my husband, I remember telling you he had an appointment. He ended up going to his appointment yesterday, and they told him, because he went to a urologist, and they told him that on his one side, which of his, his area down there, it's called vesicosis or something, and it's almost I don't know if you guys know what it is, but there's these veins that people get in their legs, and they're very pronounced and out there and very dark. Well, I guess he has something like that, but on the inside, and his doctor told him that there's only a 10% chance of having infertility issues with it. But so his doctor's going to go ahead and have him take 2 semen analysts and check him, and if they're both a low sperm count, then he will have to go ahead and get surgery to fix it. But if not, then I guess he's fine. I guess his doctor told him that if he's in pain or something, then that's a lot worse. But he is not in pain, so he didn't even know he had really anything until he went to the doctor yesterday. So, I don't know, I kind of felt when he told me the news that it was a waste for me to take the Clomid this time, because I don't have very many chances to take it. But then at the same time, I'm well, there's only still a 10% chance if it was him who is infertile and not me, that I could still get pregnant. So I don't know, I'm kind of up and down about how I took my Clomid this month, but we'll find out hopefully soon. So that was okay news, because if it is causing that, at least we know what it is now. But if it's not, then I'm still guessing it's me who's infertile. So I guess we won't know until after he takes the 2 tests, and yeah. And I'm hoping he doesn't have to have surgery, because I would feel so bad. It just sucks because I don't know, for so long I've been saying, oh, it's me, it's me, it's me. And then he goes to the doctor, and then they tell him that this is wrong, but they also tell him that there's a slight chance of having infertility problems with it. So it's kind of like, well, are we the 10% or no? So we don't really know, and we have like mixed feelings on it. But if it is that, we can't wait to fix it so we can start trying harder and seeing if it works with improvement. So that's that, and I think my cat is getting into something in the other room. I can hear her shuffling something around. So now I just got up like super early because I have to go take a test at my doctor or get a TB test for my class that I'm taking at the college. And I have to get like the rest of my physical and stuff done. So today, after that, I'm going to be studying my butt off because I have a huge exam tonight and I am not looking forward to it. So other than that, nothing's really been going on, and I'll make maybe another video tomorrow when I test again, and you guys can watch and wait for me to see if we get that little smiley face. So, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.